Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by confirming Windows updates are installed so drivers report correctly. Once done, press Windows plus X and open Device Manager. This is the quickest path to hardware detail. Expand Display Adapters and look for the GPU entry. That name tells you the installed device and vendor. If multiple entries appear, you may have integrated and discrete GPUs. Make sure to note exact model text, because you'll use it for driver downloads and more detailed checks later. Next, open Task Manager with Ctrl plus Shift plus S and switch to the Performance tab to select GPU. This shows real-time usage, dedicated GPU memory, and vendor. Then press Windows plus R, type dxdiag, and open the Display tab to read driver version, RAM, and feature levels. This verifies driver health. Once you have names from Device Manager and dxdiag, compare them to ensure they match. If they don't, it often indicates driver conflicts or multiple GPUs present. To finish, install the vendor utility, GeForce Experience for NVIDIA or Radeon software for AMD, because these confirm model details and suggest driver updates. If the GPU does not appear anywhere, make sure integrated graphics are not forcing display output in BIOS, and on desktops check that the card is seated and power cables are connected. If drivers break things, boot safe mode, uninstall the driver, and reinstall the correct package. This resolves most detection issues. Try these.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.